Namaste everyone. I hope all of you are doing well. I'm going to analyze Ambuja Cements. So on the hourly chart, the stock is in decent uptrend. It managed to eclipse previous swing high of, I need to look at this level, 585. It went as high as 593 rupees. And right after that, profit booking came to the picture. The profit booking is not severe enough. If we take the length of this rally right from 482 till 594, the profit booking halted at the level of 550. So it's not even 30 to 40% of the up rally, which means the bullish momentum is intact. Only weak buyers have booked their profit. So at the level of 550 rupees, this is a well-known reversal pattern called triple bottom pattern. See how price is slowly moving up. The accumulation process has started and it is going to go in full swing if the stock price managed to close above 575 rupees. The volume activity is also looking quite good. I should say bullish volume activity. The range of bullish candle is also higher than the bearish counterpart. So we have a lot of reasons to buy Ambuja Cement above 570 rupees. All the levels will be shared in my Telegram channel. Last but certainly not least stock for tomorrow's session is Power Grid. I have drawn a rising trend line. See how perfectly the lows and highs on the hourly chart are respecting the boundaries of the trend line. Now I'm going to draw one more line. This is a horizontal line. There is an intersection at 222 to 225 rupees. Now we have to study the price action to find out, is there a possibility of a breakout. This is another recovery. See, price started right here. 200 went as high as 235 and came crashing down till 210 rupees, but it did not go and broke the previous low of 204 rupees. And currently it is in the accumulation stage. Again, when I when I'm looking at any sort of breakout, either bullish or bearish, pay attention to the volume of the candles and the range of the candles. Volume, I will read, I will correct my sentence. Volume of the bullish candle here and the range of the bullish candle. Right from here till here. You can easily spot if there are 100 candles over here, 75 to 80% of the candles are bullish, which means that buyers are outnumbering sellers, and that is what we want when we are trading a breakout. Moreover, there is a quite a build-up around the breakout level. Price has tried to break above 222 multiple times. It came down and again it went up, which means there is a tug of war going on between buyers and sellers, and one of them has to triumph. And looking at the price action, if there is a daily close above 225 rupees, then the stock will try to match the previous high of 235 rupees.